Hi everyone, it's 180 day 62. I want to talk about your metabolism today because you might have noticed that you're getting hungrier eating the same thing. Why is that? It's because your metabolism is a bonfire and we stoked the fire. And it's raging now. It's starting to burn stronger and it's starting to burn hotter and it wants to be fed. And what happens is you start to have what I call good hunger, where you might have gone 4, 5, 6 hours before and not been hungry. You're starting to feel hungry at the right time, 2.5, 3 hours after your last meal. And you need to eat. Because the healthier you are, actually the quicker your blood sugar is going to drop and tell you, I need my next meal. And it burns through what you give it. Strong, healthy metabolism does that, burns through what you give it, and it asks for more. And so what can you do right now if you're starting to feel that, and it's not time to eat more food, and you don't want to start to get any cravings and eat something that you're not supposed to? Well, I know you're all loving your Spark. Right? We're all loving our Spark. And I love my Spark too. I have it every morning. But when I have that time, when I want to eat things I'm not supposed to, my absolute favorite product is Slim. And I don't know how much I've talked about Slim with you guys, but Slim is an alternative to, not an alternative. Here's how I'm going to say it. You get 2 per day. You can either have 2 Spark or 2 Slim, or 1 Spark and 1 Slim. And if it's one of those days where you really need more, you can have 3, but each of them, a Spark and a Slim, has 120 milligrams of caffeine. Plus you've got your Thermal Plus and you've got some other stimulants. So I would like to recommend that you keep it to 1 and 1. Either 2 Slim because you want more appetite control, or 1 Spark and 1 Slim. You decide. But if your hunger is starting to become more noticeable, then I would absolutely recommend adding some Slim in there. And I want to read to you about HCA. So Garcinia cambogia in Slim. It's a little fruit from Southeast Asia. It has something in it with a really long name called HCA. Okay? And what you want to do is you want to make sure you have enough HCA. So I was reading, and a lot of other products out there, they use the word gimmick, but I'm not going to say that. A lot of other products in there don't have enough HCA to make a difference. And when you learn about what HCA does, you're like, I want to have enough HCA. Okay, so it is the main component in Slim that blocks fat formation. The body normally uses enzymes to convert unused energy is called glucose, into fat. So when we eat and our body can't use all the energy, it's going to convert it into fat, okay? And then deposit it into the body. HCA blocks those particular enzymes and prevents fat formation. Instead, the body breaks down stored fat cells, increasing metabolism and burning stored fat instead. HCA also increases serotonin, which decreases appetite and gives us energy. So I don't know about you, but I take my Spark to focus better and to concentrate better, but this also sounds really good. So take some Slim, incorporate it in with your Spark, and it'll help with your hunger, it'll help burn more fat, and it'll help you continue to be moving forward. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.